Hi everybody, thank you for joining me. We're going to talk about morphing 3D models within PowerPoint and giving them an animated transition that is really an interesting effect. To demonstrate what this looks like, I have a wooden block that I'm going to animate. And you notice with the 3D modeling, I'm able to change the shape, the position, and even add other elements. So let's see how I did this. I start with a 3D model. What a 3D model is, it's a model where I can change the dimensions and I can move it around to different points on the screen. There are standard 3D models that you can integrate by clicking on Insert, 3D Models, and you can search the online sources. If you have a 3D model that you want to work with, then you can select one from the file. I'm going to delete these and I'll go ahead and add a new slide. I'm just going to add a blank slide. We'll look for that 3D model. So I'm going to select from online source and I'll search down here where it says numeric blocks, and you have each letter of the alphabet and the standard numbers. So I'm going to look for the S. I see it right there. There I have it. When you import a 3D model, then you also get a 3D model ribbon. And from here I can select various preset positions, or I can just position it myself. So what I did, let's select the position. I'm going to move this around, maybe make it smaller, and then I'm going to duplicate the slide. You can press Ctrl D or right click and duplicate the slide. And now I'm just going to move it around a little bit. It doesn't matter what I do, I can move it here. We'll go ahead and duplicate. And then I'll just move it around on the screen a little bit. Now I'm going to duplicate to finish this out, and I'll have it forward facing. I'm going to put it to the side and I'm going to insert the other shapes, the other numeric blocks. So I'm looking for an E and an A. I want to spell my name. And here is N. Once that's imported, I'm going to change the height of this to perhaps 3. And I'll change the height of all of these to 3 as well. Right now everything's selected. I'm going to use the guides to align this. I'm going to make sure that everything's aligned at the center and at the top, and then I'll distribute them evenly. I think I want a little bit more spacing, so I'll put these spaced out a little bit more. Select all of them, distribute evenly. And that's a good slide to end up on. Now I have various different models and I change position and size. I'm going to go to the transitions tab and make sure that I'm on Morph. And I'm going to set the duration. I set it to about 1.25 seconds. And then advanced slide, instead of advancing it on my mouse click, I'm just having it advanced automatically. And that's what's giving it the animated effect. And these, since I duplicated the slide, all of the settings, the morph, the duration, and the time settings are all the same. On this last slide though, I'm going to check advanced slide on mouse click so that it pauses on this slide and it doesn't just go out to the end. So let's play this and see what we have. And there you go. Now I have an animated 3D model that's morphing on the screen, and it looks like it's an animation.